coaching, the level or the rank of the Philippines was 56, and now for the last 10 years, make it to 30. That's one other and then it doesn't really it's not just me na ginawa ko yun. All the girls that I did have played for the national team. Doon ako nagpapasalamat. Doon ako natutuwa kasi sila yung nag-build ng program talaga, not just me. Credit to them.
Pero di mo panginaya kasi we are hosting the Asia Cup next year.
In a way, yes. Because, medyo nangihinay. Dahil kasi for the last time na ginagawa ko to, lumalis kami, and then now that we're here, I wanted to show sana. Now we can play at the same level already with other Asian countries. And for a fact that the recent performance ng girls, we're not talking about the wins and the losses. We're talking about the numbers. I've been talking about that. That was our goal when we went to France. We're talking about the numbers. How many points are we going to get? How can we compete with them? And I felt that we did. We felt we did. But kasi siguro sabihin lang natin na the height disparity, the experience disparity really counts. And for our first time, I think we had a good
Which kasi nga, parang di rin naman biro over 12 years din parang nasa program director pa. Parang ano na lang yung hope or win-wish mo sana ma-accomplish whoever is gonna be the fixing you.
As I've said for the girls to, sana alagaan na mabuti, that sana buo. I mean, ang dami kasing times na kulang-kulang ako. And then pag nag-practice kami, hindi lahat kompleto, and all of those things. But sana, at the same time, nagkaroon ng isang called a united, players, kasama, lahat ng the support to be there for them, and of course, sabi ko, sana ma-outgrow yung what we did, and hopefully, yun naman yung talagang walang bias or anything. I wanted to really grow up. And sana magawa nila or whoever's gonna change me. I hope na huwag siya mag-pressure. Just, do everything that, para umakyat pa yung Philippines. Huwag lang sayangin na go back again and, for the longest time, tayo, bababa. Mahirap. As in, you can't imagine how hard going up and coming down and going up again.